having new machines obviously is the best versus putting in some old used machines. But we continue to see payment systems as the most important thing that we're seeing. Integrate a payment system with, for example, a Speed Queen top load washer, so that you don't have quarters going into it that become a vandalism point. Vandalism, it didn't even matter the property, it seems like anymore. It's everywhere there seems to be vandalism, people trying to break into them. Well, with a credit card or an app pay solution, that temptation is just pure malicious versus I'm trying to actually steal something from you. We almost exclusively put in, whether it's a credit card at the machine or an app pay solution for our customers, just to keep the vandalism down. And it's also a convenience factor for the customer. They don't have to worry about, does the changer work? Did we get quarters? Keeping track of, what money I put into it. You also have the ability to refund quickly online. If someone calls in, you can immediately give them a refund on their app, for example. So those are the things that we really look for to help, is to kind of get out of the quarter solution. Because, by the way, when you get all those quarters, the bank doesn't want them anymore. It becomes a bigger and bigger problem. So we're looking for the correct payment system based on their needs, whether it's a value add system where we're putting money on a card, whether it's to accept the credit card at the machine, or an app-based solution. It the front loading is definitely much more efficient. The challenge with front loading machines, and depending what the clientele is that front loading machines require high efficiency soap. If you use something else, you'll get a lot of suds. And when you get a lot of suds, the pump cavitates. So the machine thinks that it still has water in it, and it will have the door locked and the machine's frozen, and the customer gets frustrated and starts yanking on the front door to open it, when it's a safety feature, thinking, well, if I have water in it, I'm not going to let you open the front of my door and let water go everywhere. So when you do front loading, it's always good to make sure you got the proper signage. High efficiency soap required. Too much soap will cause suzzing, will cause the door to lock. You've got to be able to educate your clientele as to how to properly use a front loading machine. Where a top loader, a lot of people like it. They can open it up, they can throw extra in there, they can close it, they can put as much soap as they like in it. It's a little bit more forgiving than a front loader, but you do lose efficiency.